Now in this video, I'm going to share the groups of vitamins and the dietary sources for those vitamins. This side I'm going to share the importance of those vitamins, and now the last part, the risk that can come from people by avoiding taking respective vitamins or those diets. Without further ado, let's get started. Vitamin A. Which kind of diet do you think has got vitamin A? So we say carrots and sweet potatoes. Carrots and sweet potatoes. Should I write in full? There is no need. So in the importance of that one, it aids or improves eyesight. Improves eyesight. Improves eyesight. What will happen if people don't eat carrots for a long time or sweet potatoes? Night blindness. The risk is night blindness. So that means during the night you're not seeing clearly the way you should see. Now, the second one is called vitamin D. You can say fatty. The sources are fatty fish, liver, fatty fish. Another one is sunlight. I was thinking about it, whether it's a diet, but that's why I'm taking too long. Sunlight. So during morning hours, during that bright morning sunlight, that is when you can get vitamin D. And maybe the last one again, maybe should I say milk? Yeah, milk. Milk helps vitamin D because of the calcium in vitamin D. What is the importance of vitamin D? Bone formation, and improves your immune. Why? Red blood cells comes from the bone marrow. So as much as they don't work to give you good immune, that's work of white blood cells. But now blood is formed, especially red blood cells is formed in bone marrow, and the function maybe is to give you what? The function of red blood cells? Is it blood clotting? Maybe, who knows? Now, what is the risk? It's rickets. That is the risk that can come from people, especially young children, who doesn't take. This is a comma. Who doesn't take fish? Now let's go to vitamin E. Vitamin E, simply, it's where we find seeds, nuts, and something else like veggies. Yeah, veggies, common vegetables. No need for me to write in full because I'm taking too long and people don't like long videos. Anyways, let's go to the importance of vitamin. The main function is cell defense. Where you see vegetables, they provide a lot of vitamins, so they gives your body cell defense or protect you from infections. What will come from that? Whatever. Yeah, we have many, but now maybe the main cause is now damage. Nerves are connected to a spinal cord all the way to your brain. They send signals to every part of the body. That's why, for example, ukijigonga kidole unasikia uchungu because of nerve impulses. Let's go to vitamin K. Vitamin K, the main function is now the blood clotting, but now I'm gonna give you the kind of food that has got those nutrients. We say kales, spinach. Another name for kales is sukuma wiki, and do you know broccoli and cauliflower. So those are the main source where vitamin K is, where you can find vitamin K. The main function is blood clotting, blood clotting. If you by mistake, by bad luck and misfortune, you cut yourself, so vitamin K is going to help you clot that blood so that you don't lose a lot of blood. So what if you are deficient in vitamin K? Excessive bleeding. Excessive bleeding, you're going to lose a lot of blood. Let's go to vitamin C. Vitamin C, maybe it doesn't have many diet sources where it comes from, but now the main one is now citrus fruits. From the word citrus fruits, and let me think, citrus fruits, strawberries and peppers, pilipili, yeah. Citrus fruits, peppers, strawberries. Now, what is the importance of vitamin C? Building, just avoiding antioxidants. Okay, spelling for that word, I'm gonna read it. Like I can say now, I'm struggling to find the kind of word because I'm just trying to give them to give you from my brain direct. Maybe building or promoting, building antioxidants. Very nice. What will happen if you don't take citrus fruits, peppers, and strawberries? Do you know something called this one? Scurvy. Alright, let's make a progress to vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex, what are you supposed to eat? Things like meat, things like eggs. So that means you have to eat a lot of proteins, right? Alright, let's continue finding which kind of diets contain B complex. We have said meat, we have said eggs, and sometimes, not sometimes, but legumes and whole grains Now, what is the function of vitamin B complex? Cell metabolism and energy. They give energy, they aid cell metabolism and gives energy What will happen if you don't take vitamin B complex for a long time? Fatigue will come in, because if they give you energy and you don't have B complex, then it means tiredness and fatigue. And also, should I say anemia? Yes, anemia. B complex, meat, eggs, legumes, whole grains. What if you fail to eat them? And maybe generally something that we can call, this is just biological effects. Lastly, this one. There is something we call beans. For the longest time, someone lied to you that beans are rich in proteins. It is very wrong. Get it from me, Dr. Elijah. I say beans are majorly rich in carbohydrates. Take that to the nearest bank. Beans are not rich in proteins like you've been knowing for the longest all those years. So they are rich in carbohydrates. Thank you so much. At least today you've learned something, vitamins and every single diet source, the importance, and what will happen if you don't eat those respective diet. See you. Bye.